Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we will be working on Exp25 Excel Chapter 10 ML2 Flight Plan. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assessment without any confusion. If you need any help with blackboards, Cengage MyITLab assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, midterm exam, final exam, or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, Framer, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today assessment and go through it step by step. There are total 10 questions of this assessment. Let me zoom this for a proper view. Here is the title of assignment: Exp25 Excel Chapter 10 ML2 Flight Plan. Here is a project description. You can also read it out carefully for better understanding of this assignment project. You are a student at the Aviation Experts Flight School in New York City, and as part of your training, you are required to create a flight plan for a cross-country trip. You have decided to import your destination information into Excel and use 3D maps to create an animated tour of the cities you will fly over. Here is the project description. Now we will move to the question number 1. Question number 1 is: start Excel, download and open the file name Exp25 Excel Chapter 10 ML2 Flight Plan. Creator has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Basically, in this question, you will have to download this file Exp25 Excel Chapter 10 ML2 Flight Plan from MyITLab dashboard. I have already downloaded this file from MyITLab dashboard. Here is a file. Now we will move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is: use the get and transform tools to import the text file exp25 excel chapter 10 ml2 flightplan.txt. Basically, in this question you will have to import this txt file into Excel. Go move to the workbook, then you will go to the data tab, click on data tab, then click on get data from file, from text and CSV. If you need any help with this assignment, please feel free to contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. Now go to the desktop. Here is the file Exp25 Excel Chapter 10 ML2 flightplan.txt. Click on this and import this file. This txt file containing the data of flight, city, state, latitude, longitude. Cities are included: New York, Chicago, Denver, Los Angeles. Then click on load button to load this city's data. As you can see that our data are now loaded. Question number 2 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 3. Question number 3 is: rename the worksheet to flights. Copy this. Flights. Question number 3 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 4. Question number 4 is: edit the connection properties to refresh when the file is opened. Here is a dialog box. Right click on this, then go to the properties tab and then check the option refresh this connection on refresh data when opening the file. Check this box and click OK. Question number 4 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 5. Question number 5 is insert a 3D map that uses latitude and longitude as location dimensions, and move to the workbook. First we select this latitude and longitude, select this range, then go to the insert tab and click on 3D maps. Open 3D maps. As you can see that 3D map are inserted based on longitude and latitude. Question number 5 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 6. Question number 6 is zoom in until New York City fills the screen. Then rename the scene 1 as New York. Set the scene duration to 4 seconds and the effect to dolly. First zoom this. When you see the New York City, you will have to select the map labels. Here is a New York City. And next is rename the scene 1 as New York. Copy this, New York. This is a scene 1, then click on this setting button. Scene name, we'll have to paste this, New York, and set the scene duration to 4 seconds. Scene duration 4 seconds. 4 seconds. And the next is effect to dolly, and choose effect to dolly, this one. We have now completed 6 questions of this assessment. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, and many more online courses. I have successfully handled courses for the students from Canada, USA, and many other countries. If you need any help with this task, feel free to reach out me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.